All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 119,000 miles and only 553 idle hours on this bad boy. From the city of Palm Springs, California, this was a former SWAT team take-home unit, folks. Once again, SWAT team take-home unit, original charcoal gray from factory. Vehicle does have scratches and vehicle does have door dings. I will try to go ahead and point those out as I will make my way around the vehicle. Folks, I'm gonna speed it up on this one. I do have a lot of ground to cover. There is a lot of things that were done to this vehicle, and I'm gonna try to wrap it all up within 20 minutes. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. Fresh new window tint that is going to be medium all around, not too dark, not too light. The previous tint that was on the vehicle was going purple, so I had my guys redo it for me. All right, vehicle has one hole in the trunk lid where the antenna is. That is the actual antenna, non-op, is just there for looks. But if you need to take your car to an express car wash, that antenna is going to stay solid and put in place. It's not going to go anywhere. This is going to be a Police Interceptor Flex Fuel E85, okay? $3.49 a gallon here in California right now. Sorry about that. Vehicle has been fully registered, so it does have current, up-to-date plate and registration. All right. Let's get closer here, folks. The antenna is in place. This is the actual antenna, folks. Once again, it's just there for looks. One little bite here on the rear bumper. You guys can see that right there. Vehicle does have some door dings, folks. Let me go ahead and point this out. The majority of them are going to be on the passenger side. I do have some paint damage here that might have been bird droppings. It's already in the paint. It's not going anywhere. If we come to the rear quarter panel and the rear right door, we do have some door dings. You guys can see them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got about 6 of them. 6 of them around on the vehicle, and also I got some paint chip in here, folks. These are gonna be paint chips. Let me hear if I can clean this up here for you. I got some paint chips here, possibly from parking lot, parking lot wars right there. There you go. Some more scratches right there, folks. You guys can see that right there. Once again, this is the original paint. I did not paint the vehicle. Once again, I did not have the vehicle repainted. This is the original paint of the vehicle. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you, I do have a brand new set of Goodyear RSA Eagles on this vehicle. When I first got the car in, tires were about 40%. I didn't like the way they look, and once again I contacted my tire guy, and he had a brand new set on standby, so I went ahead and bought them from him and had them installed on the vehicle. So you do have you are looking at $1,000 here worth of tires with mount and balance. All right, let me backtrack here, folks. I got there's one door ding here as well. You guys can kind of see it right here. There you go. It's right there. One door dings on the front passenger side door. Let's continue. Vehicle does have a brand new set of OEM headlights, and I went ahead and put new light bulbs as well. Headlight bulbs are new. Headlight bulbs are new. I did use the Sylvania Silver Star light bulbs, so they are a little bit brighter when you're driving at night. Got some more scratches here, folks. You can see that. This is probably going to be from their equipment belt. Got some scratches right there. You guys can see them. Some more chip in here. Little nip scratches right here, folks. You guys can kind of see them. You get up close and personal, you'll see everything. All right, let's continue. Let's get inside of the vehicle here. I hope no neighbors come out. I'm on the road right now. All right, folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle is complete. It's got a matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpet interior with matching floor mats are in place. Something that we're not used to seeing. Matching floor mats as well. Rear differential on this unit is going to be C5 electric seats. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Vehicle came with 7 keys. Unusual, but yes, 7 keys. Vehicle does have an aftermarket center console. There's a lot of mosquitoes here lately. Brand new aftermarket center console on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and get inside. Fire her up. Let's clean this up here. Folks, vehicle does have 119,000 miles. I'm responsible for 337 driven so far. 553 idle hours. Stereo does work.
Celebrates its golden anniversary with 10 frightening mazes, 5 sinister.
Stereo does work. Volume knob appears to be going a little bit faulty, but it is still working. All right. Ticket light does work. Map lights do work. The honk doesn't work because it's connected to the siren speaker. You can activate the horn by pressing on the horn right here. I'm not gonna do it. It's pretty loud. Yes, vehicle is equipped with lights, siren, and air horn. All right, everything is down there. Those are the controllers right there. They do work. For the record, so that YouTube doesn't bring down my video, I can go ahead and keep the lights in the vehicle. If you are a government agent and you do have the proper credentials to show that you are a government agent, police officer, or fire. If you are not, none of the above, folks, I cannot sell you the vehicle. If the vehicle is going out of the country, I will leave everything the way it is, but I gotta make sure I go drop it off at the warehouse. Vehicle does have a trunk pack, floor jack, spare tire, fire extinguisher. Those are the wires for the radio, Motorola radio right there. Everything is in here for the equipment. All right, folks. We do have a power wire that will disconnect power to everything to the whole equipment on this vehicle. I can always go ahead and disconnect that as well, and it does have a power relay on it that will cut power to everything as well. Let's continue. Folks, I gotta step it up starting right to left. I do have a new air filter, throttle body was serviced and clean out. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plug, full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission was serviced, and I did use Mercon LV fluid on this one, and Motorcraft transmission filter. The fuel filter was also replaced, so that is new. It's got a new battery. Okay. Front of the department, the vehicle appears to have a new radiator. This radiator is new. The fan shroud is new. I can tell the tensioner and the pulley and the belt also do appear to be in new condition. The water pump appears to have been replaced not long ago. It looks, you can see it's not dirty. It's not full of oxidation. It's nice and clean. So it probably was replaced at some point while the vehicle was in service. Also, I got to tell you, the rear shocks are new. I did use Motorcraft on this particular unit, Motorcraft heavy duty. Front struts were also replaced, and I did go with the KYB heavy duty on this one for the police Interceptor package. So the vehicle is riding a heck of a lot better now from what it was. It was too soft for me. I didn't like it, so I did the front end first. The front struts on the front were replaced, and then I did the rear ones because I wanted everything to be nice and even. Okay, I wanted the ride to be nice nice and even. I didn't want anything moving up and down or side to side. Folks, also I got to tell you from the department that I can see that this master cylinder is new. It is by Motorcraft. That is a new master cylinder. Computer, it looks to have been replaced already. I'm not used to seeing them this clean. When you see them this clean, that means they were probably replaced at some point and reprogrammed. Folks, the vehicle is in great mechanical condition. Air conditioner is nice and cold as well. No leaks. She's bone dry. Nothing that will, bring up a red flag for me. Real quick, folks, I will show you the lights on the vehicle. First click will activate the rear. You got strobes and you got red and blues. Okay, there you go. We go. Click number 2 will activate the takedowns. Click number 3 will activate the whole front end. There you go, folks. If the vehicle is in drive, the strobes and the wigwags will be engaged automatically. That's the way the department set it up. Folks, what you see is what you're gonna get as long as you are a government agent and you can provide me with proof that you are allowed to drive this car away. Other than that, if you cannot provide me with proof that you are a police officer, fire, or government agent, I will disable the lights. If the car is going out of the country, I will go ahead and leave the lights alone. All right, folks, one last final look here at this gorgeous, beautiful 2011 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Here you go, guys. Any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, folks, okay? You guys have a great weekend. God bless and be safe.